Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to set up fingerprint and screen lock on Pixel 10. So go into the settings, then security and privacy, scroll down to device unlock and fingerprint. Now confirm with your pattern or password, scroll down and click agree. How to set up your fingerprint. The fingerprint sensor will be on the next screen. For the greatest flexibility, set up at least one finger on each hand. Then start and touch and hold the fingerprint sensor. Keep your finger flat on the sensor until you feel a vibration. Only set up one finger at a time. I feel the vibration, then lift it and touch again. Do it with multiple positions. Tilt your finger and touch with a tip. In every angle. Turn your finger and touch with the left edge. And right edge. And it is added, so done. I don't want face unlock right now, and lock your screen. And now just hold the fingerprint here and it unlocks. To show you, I'll try with another finger, and it's not working. It's not working. No. And now it is. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.